In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant connection issues and packet loss. Now first what we want to try is come down here and search for Task Manager. Now in here you want to look for any programs that's using up too much. So if you click on Network, you can see Steam is using a lot, Memory, my Google Chrome, and CPU, my Steam as well. Now you can close these down simply by right-clicking and End Task, and this will maybe fix the issue. Now if this still doesn't work, you can come down here and search for updates. Maybe if your Windows needs an update, it can also cause issues. I'm up to date, so that's no problem. Now if that still doesn't work, you can click down here, see what programs you have open. I know I have Steam open, and I know Steam is downloading. Now if you have Steam or Battle.net or Epic Games and they're currently downloading or updating a game, this can also cause issues when you're playing another game. So simply close down Steam right here. Now if that still doesn't work, what you can try is come to your internet right here, open Network and Internet Settings. From in here, change Adapter Options, right click on your internet, disable, and then right click Enable. This will take you off the internet and on it again, and this might also help fix your issue. Now, as a last resort, if none of this works, you can either 1. Come down here, uninstall Valorant and reinstall it, or you can find your router in your house and simply turn it off and then on again. This will restart your internet, and this might also help fix your issue. Now, I really hope any of these helped you. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.